Welcome to Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to show the new functions cutting outside and close features. At the first example I show you the new option cut outside in the pocketing cycle. For this I will create first a wall feature around the part. The next step is go to the milling tab and create pocketing. Here I select the most of default settings. You can also choose here at the strategy profit milling and go to the pocketing, and here we have the pocket feature. Make sure you say yes to cut outside. And then there are no boundaries needed anymore. Select OK and you have a valid toolpath outside of the part. At the second example I'll show you how to transform a wall feature to an open pocketing feature. For this I will select those faces here and put a wall feature on it. Now you can see here I've got a wall feature. Then I will translate it into an open pocket feature. For this just select the profile and go here to this close option. And you see you have a pocket feature with an open side. And that's all. I hope you liked the tips and tricks video. Don't forget to follow our ESPRIT social media and stay tuned for the next tips and tricks clips. Thanks.